is back now. We're in for kind of a roller coaster of a weather week, starting with a high, very warm day today, and then it looks pretty cold midweek.
Exactly. We could potentially break records for temperatures today, and then we're really cooling off here as we go through the rest of it. So everything's about to start changing here very shortly, but today is the last day of the warmth, and that's because of how everything's sitting out there. Good Saturday morning, everybody. We're in this section right here called the warm sector. That's allowing warmer air from the south to move into our region, and that's just going to keep us really warm as we head through your day today. A cold front will pass through, though, and that's going to allow a lot more chilly air to make its way into our region before another low starts to just track off to our south near Cape Cod, and that's going to allow some precip back into your forecast as well here as we get into Sunday and Monday as well. Let's track it all out for you guys. For your day today, lots of sunshine out there, high temperatures getting up into the mid to upper 70s, if you can believe that. So definitely going to be a warm one overall as we head through it. Lots of sunshine sticking around for your day, but we will start to see a couple clouds making their way in as we head into the afternoon. Not many, but just a few, and you could see an isolated sprinkle here and there. I wouldn't expect to see much rain at all. As we head through your day tomorrow, we really start off with some clouds, but the big thing you're going to notice instead of the clouds is going to be how much your temperatures are going to stay cooler than where they are today. We're going to peak in the mid to upper 40s, maybe low 50s for a few, and a couple showers starting to return into the forecast around lunchtime. That's mainly going to stay south of Bangor, but we will have those showers moving in. That's going to be the second half of Sunday. Into Monday, we're going to start to see some more rainfall in the forecast, and northern Maine could start to see a few snowflakes mixing in there as well. The first snow for many for this year. We're going to take a look at a different model that seems a bit more accurate than this one as far as Monday is going to be concerned. The snow should mainly stay off to our north. The rest of us seeing some rain as we head through your day Monday, starting to taper off as we head into the evening, but overall, it will be a pretty rainy day there, and it's going to be a cold rain because temperatures will be a lot cooler as well, so it will be pretty chilly out there as that falls. Now for the rain, maybe half an inch up to an inch of rain for most of the state, but if you're living up north, like I said, that will be a bit cooler. We'll have the possibility for some snow in the forecast, so you'll likely get around 1 to 2 inches of snow if you're living in the northern region of the state. So we'll get it staying a bit cooler and a bit snowier here, but like I said, most of us not really going to see that quite yet. Now, those temperatures are dropping, and that's where we're going to have all the possibilities for anything like this. Today's high temperatures, like I said, in the 70s, dropping significantly as we get into the rest of your week here. Temperatures instead staying in the mid to upper 40s, so really going to drop quite a bit more. And then by Friday, we get back to where we should be, right around 55 degrees. So not going to stay like you'll see it today. Midweek, we also have this possibility for some snow for the rest of the state. Not looking like much, but the track of the system still kind of not locked in quite yet. If it moves off to our south, we'll get out of most of this, and necessarily even with the temperatures. Not sure we'll see snow yet, but this is the point on Wednesday where we can start to see a few flakes for the coastal areas and the rest of the state outside of the northern region for the first time as we've gone through this season. Now for your marine forecast, seas are at 2 to 4 feet. We're going to see winds with gusts up and over 20 knots on the water, which is why we have a small craft advisory issued. That's through 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Otherwise, like I said, today's going to be a great day. We have some clouds and some rain during the forecast Sunday evening into Monday as well. Great day going to be coming up for Halloween here. We're going to have it being cool with lots of sunshine in the forecast, but it's going to be nice for trick-or-treating. We're watching what's happening on Wednesday, and we'll keep you guys posted as we get better information as that continues to come out. But overall, it's going to be a back and forth kind of week ahead, but everything's getting quite a bit cooler here as we move into tomorrow and the rest of the week ahead.